You plug something in every day: phone charger, TV, fan, fridge. Nothing looks wrong, everything feels normal. But what if I told you one of the most common causes of house fires is sitting quietly on your wall right now? Overloaded sockets. It doesn't spark immediately, it doesn't warn you. It heats up slowly, silently, until it becomes a fire. Most people don't even realize they're overloading a socket, extension on extension, adapters stacked on adapters, too many high power appliances in one place. And the scary part, it works until it doesn't. That's how fires start. Not from big explosions, but from small, ignored habits. So here's what you need to check today. If your socket feels warm, that's a warning. If plugs are loose, that's a risk. If you're stacking extensions, you're building danger. One socket is not meant to carry everything. Spread your appliances, use quality extension cords, and never ignore heat. Because prevention doesn't make noise, but fire does. Stay alert, stay safe,